Get ready for 20 of the best blender Black Friday deals in 2024. Out of the hundreds of offers available, I've handpicked 20 limited-time Black Friday blender deals that you won't want to miss out on. Links to each blender Black Friday deal are in the description. This Black Friday, you're in for a treat with the Vitamix Propel 510 blender. Originally priced at $499.95, it's now available for just $279.95, giving you a substantial 44% discount and a whopping $220 in savings. The Propel 510 comes with a 48-ounce container, perfect for whipping up smoothies, soups, and frozen desserts. You'll love the 3 preset programs that take the guesswork out of blending. Just toss in your ingredients, select a program, and let the Vitamix work its magic. This Black Friday, you can snag the Ninja Professional Plus blender for just $79.99, down from its original $119.99 price tag. That's a whopping 33% discount, saving you $40 on this kitchen powerhouse. The Ninja Pro Plus blender packs a punch with its 1,400-watt motor. You'll breeze through tough ingredients like frozen fruit and ice, creating silky, smooth drinks in seconds. The Auto IQ technology takes the guesswork out of blending, offering preset programs for smoothies, frozen drinks, and even ice cream. Black Friday shoppers, get ready for a fantastic deal. The Magic Bullet Blender set is now available for just $29.49, down from its original price of $49.99. That's a 41% savings, giving you more bang for your buck this holiday season. You'll love how this little powerhouse tackles a variety of kitchen tasks. From smoothies to sauces, the Magic Bullet's 250-watt motor base and crossblade design make quick work of your ingredients. Its compact size is perfect for small kitchens or dorm rooms, taking up minimal counter space while delivering maximum versatility. During the 2024 Blender Black Friday sale, you can get the KitchenAid Go Cordless Hand Blender for just $89.99 instead of the usual $29.99. That's a sweet 31% discount, saving you $40 on this handy kitchen tool. With 7 speed settings, you've got control at your fingertips. Whip up a quick smoothie or tackle tougher blending jobs with ease. The 4-point stainless steel blade makes short work of fruits, veggies, and even ice. Get ready for a fantastic Black Friday deal on the VEWIOR Powerhouse Blender. Originally listed at $152.99, you can now snag this kitchen marvel for just $109.98, saving you a sizable 28% off the regular price. You'll love the impressive 2,200-watt motor that powers through tough ingredients with ease. Whether you're whipping up smoothies, crushing ice, or preparing soups, this blender's got you covered. The 68-ounce Triton container is perfect for family-sized portions, while the included 27-ounce to-go cup lets you take your creations on the road. Get ready for a smoothie revolution with this blender Black Friday deal. The Syvio smoothie maker is now available for just $29.99, down from its original price of $49.99. That's a whopping 40% off, saving you $20 on your purchase. You'll love how simple this blender is to use. With just one button, you can whip up your favorite smoothies in seconds. The 600-watt motor might not be the strongest out there, but it's more than capable of handling most fruits and veggies for your daily health boost. This Black Friday, you can own the Vitamix. Propel 750 for $399.95, down from its original price of $629.95, saving you 37% and $230 on this high-performance blender. The Propel 750 packs a punch with its 2.2 horsepower motor, perfect for tackling tough ingredients. You'll appreciate the 5 preset programs for smoothies, hot soups, frozen desserts, dips, and self-cleaning. Just toss in your ingredients, press a button, and walk away. It's that simple. During the Black Friday blender sale, you can pick up the Nutribullet Ultra Blender for just $89.49, down from its original price of $149.99. That's a whopping 40% discount, saving you $60 on this premium blender. The Ultra takes everything you loved about the original Nutribullet and kicks it up a notch. With its beefed up 1,200 watt motor, you'll breeze through tough ingredients like frozen fruit and ice. No more chunky smoothies or half-blended concoctions. During the Black Friday blender deal sale, you can snag the Ninja Nutriblender Pro for just $59.99, down from its original price of $99.99. That's a whopping 40% discount, saving you $40 on this versatile kitchen gadget. The Ninja Nutriblender Pro packs a punch with its 1,000 watt motor. You'll be amazed at how quickly it pulverizes tough ingredients like frozen fruit and ice. No more chunky smoothies or half-blended drinks. This little powerhouse gets the job done in seconds. Black Friday brings a sweet deal on this wearing commercial blender. Originally priced at $455, it's now available for just $364, saving you a whopping 20% off the list price. You'll love the robust performance of this blender. Its 3.5 horsepower motor can tackle even the toughest ingredients with ease. Whether you're whipping up smoothies, crushing ice, or preparing nut butters, this machine has got you covered. If you're looking for a top-of-the-line blender, then you're in luck this Black Friday. The Breville Super Q blender is on sale for $399.99, down from its original price of $549.95. That's a big 27% discount, saving you $150 on this top-tier appliance. The Super Q isn't your average blender, it's packed with a mighty 1,800 watt motor, making it a powerhouse in your kitchen. You'll be amazed at how quickly it can whip up smoothies, soups, and even crush ice into snow-like consistency. During the Blender Black Friday deal sale, you can score the Oster Extreme Mix blender for just $139.99, down from its original price of $229.99. That's a whopping 39% discount, saving you $70 on this kitchen powerhouse. The Oster Extreme Mix blender packs a punch with its 2 horsepower turbocharged motor. You'll breeze through tough ingredients like ice and frozen fruits without breaking a sweat. The 10-blade stack, featuring 4 titanium-coated blades, ensures your smoothies come out silky smooth every time. Get ready for a jaw-dropping Black Friday deal. The JAWZ high-performance blender is now available for just $49.90, down from its original price of $66.79. That's a healthy 25% discount. You'll love the versatility of this blender. With its 3.5 peak horsepower motor, it can handle everything from smoothies to nut butters with ease. The 10 variable speed settings give you precise control over your blending, while the preset functions for smoothies, ice crushing, and cleaning make common tasks a breeze. This Black Friday, you can own the Vitamix Ascent X3 for just $499.95, down from its original $649.95 price tag. That's an impressive 23% discount on this newly released Vitamix blender, saving you $150 on this top-tier blender. The Ascent X3 isn't just any blender, it's a powerhouse in the kitchen. With its 48-ounce container, you can whip up anything from smooth morning smoothies to hearty soups for the family. The 3 preset blending programs take the guesswork out of your recipes, ensuring consistent results every time. Get ready for an unbeatable Black Friday deal on the Ninja Blast Portable Blender. Originally priced at $59.99, you can now snag this compact powerhouse for just $39.99. That's a sweet 33% discount, saving you $20 on your purchase. You'll love the freedom this cordless blender brings to your smoothie game. With its rechargeable battery and USB-C compatibility, you can whip up delicious drinks anywhere. The 18-ounce vessel is perfect for personal portions, and the easy open sip lid means you can blend and sip without switching containers. Black Friday shoppers, listen up. The Aeitto High Power Blender is now on sale for $99.99, down from its original price of $199.99. That's a whopping 50% discount, saving you precisely $100 on this kitchen powerhouse. You'll love the sheer power of this blender. With its 1,800 watt motor, it can crush ice and blend tough ingredients in seconds. Whether you're whipping up smoothies, soups, or nut butters, this machine has got you covered. This Black Friday, you can get the Bella hand blender for just $14.99, down from its original price of $24.99. That's a sweet 40% discount, saving you $10 on this handy kitchen tool. You'll find the Bella hand blender to be a real workhorse in your kitchen. Its 250 watt motor packs enough punch to tackle most blending tasks with ease. Whether you're whipping up smoothies, pureeing soups, or making baby food, this little gadget has got you covered. Black Friday brings a sweet deal on the KitchenAid Go Cordless Personal Blender. Originally priced at $99.99, you can snag it for just $59.99 during the sale, saving you a cool 40% off the list price. The KitchenAid Go gives you the freedom to blend anywhere. No more hunting for outlets or tripping over cords. With up to 20 minutes of runtime on a single charge, you'll have plenty of juice to whip up your favorite smoothies or frozen drinks. This Black Friday, you're in for a treat with the Vitamix 5200 professional grade blender. Originally listed at $428, it's now available for just $349.95. That's a healthy 18% off, saving you nearly $80 on this kitchen powerhouse. The Vitamix 5200 isn't just any blender, it's a culinary game changer. With variable speed control, you're the boss of your blends. Want chunky salsa? No problem. Craving silky smooth purees? You got it. This machine adapts to your every whim. This Black Friday, you can pick up the Magic Bullet portable blender for just $28.90, down from its original $39.99 price tag. That's a sweet 28% discount. The Magic Bullet portable blender is your new best friend for whipping up smoothies and shakes on the go. No more lugging around a bulky blender or searching for power outlets. This little powerhouse runs on a rechargeable battery, giving you the freedom to blend anywhere, anytime.